Here's your ultimate guide to where you can convert your credit card points to airline miles. So guys, ito yung mga credit cards natin in the Philippines and then sa taas naman lahat ng mga airline partners mo. My personal tip here is what makes sense na airlines para sa ating Filipinos is either Cathay Pacific or Singapore Airlines. Pwede rin naman Philippine Airlines pag gusto mo talaga. So for example, sa Cathay guys, if you convert your points to Cathay Pacific miles or Asia miles as they call it, ang kagandahan dito is you can book let's say Japan Airlines, pwede ka Qatar Airlines or even Qantas. It depends. Depende kung meron siyang offer sa Cathay website. Kasi kung walang award tickets for that flight route, then syempre hindi ka makakabook doon. Now, the other one that I love also will be your Singapore Airlines. Star Alliance naman siya. For example, sa Singapore Airlines, you can definitely book Turkish, Thai Airways, Air New Zealand, ANA if ever meron naman offer si ANA, di ba? Now, all you have to do is convert your points to Singapore Airlines KrisFlyer, tapos doon pwede ka mag-book. And ang kagandahan sa Singapore Airlines, usually nagkakaroon sila ng sale. Ito yung spontaneous escapes nila, which you can get up to 30% discount sa miles. And then every year, nagkakaroon rin si Singapore Airlines ng miles na sale. Talaga ang laki ng mga discounts doon. And last but not the least, if you really want direct flights, Philippine Airlines, sa kanila naman is Mabuhay Miles. Nagsisale rin naman si Philippine Airlines sa Mabuhay Miles. They call it the Great Mabuhay Miles Sale or something like that. Medyo matagal na ako hindi nakakapag-book with miles sa Philippine Airlines kasi I would rather choose these two and nag-layover na lang ako sa Hong Kong or either Singapore. So guys, save this video para at least alam mo kung saan mo pwede gamitin yung mga credit card points mo or saan mo pwede i-convert yung credit card points mo to miles. And of course, safe travels!